Let's do the quick scrambled eggs. Oop. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. Yes, no shells. All right. Scramble those up real quick. Pour in about ½ an ounce of milk. We'll grab some butter over here. Put a pat of butter in. Just kind of a big pat, but you know, it is what it is. So we will swirl that around. You want to get it nice and melted, coated, especially the edges. You know how you get that dry, crispy part where it sticks on the edge? We don't want any of that. Now I like to have the butter about half melted, and once it's melted, I pour in the eggs. This is 3 eggs. You know, 2 eggs is considered a snack. 3 eggs is considered a meal. So for now, we're just focusing on the meal. You can still see the butter in there. Nothing else has been added. This is just a pure scrambled egg. Because, you know, there's lots of ways in which you can add all kinds of flavors and spices to this. And we'll have a list of some of the spices that you can use. We will add some pepper to the end. But this is unsalted butter. And this is how we do it. We're getting this going. I'll turn that heat up a little bit. You know, if you're really new at cooking scrambled eggs or cooking period, use a lower heat, you know, till you get your timing down. Because you don't want to miss your window and overcook your eggs. Because they will continue to cook even when you take them off the burner. So they should be a little bit underdone. And once they get on the plate, they will continue cooking. And then by the time you serve your plate of food, if it's just yourself, great. If whole family, awesome. Those eggs will be just perfect. All right. So you can start to see there's little white spots happening on the bottom. So that's okay. That's a good thing. That's what we want. You can see there's still a little pool of butter there, but you see I can pull it away now, and it starts to pull away from the frying pan. Whoop, sorry about that. Made everything wiggly there for a sec. Now, you know, if you have some older pans, don't go out and buy new ones unless you really, really want to. But a little non-stick wouldn't hurt. You know, just a tss. I don't have any particular choice of one non-stick over another. I just grab whatever's on sale. Doesn't matter if it's canola, vegetable, olive oil, you know, brand name you can use, store-bought brand. As you can see, it's starting to pull up nice. See, I almost missed it. It happens really fast. So if this was at a high heat, woo, I probably would have missed it altogether. Now, one of the things that I like to do is to flip my eggs over, because it's the same surface area that's been cooking the whole time. And while it's doing this, that's when I get my plate out. If I've forgotten, which it happens, but see, I'll turn this over so I get that look. Break it up. Grab my plate. Yeah, it's done. Sure, there's a little bit of wetness, but it will continue to cook. Put that off the heat. I'm going to turn that off for a sec. And we now have some delicious scrambled eggs. See that steam coming off there? That's some real cooking.